Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we've got an exciting combo for you, the WisFox USB computer keyboard and mouse. If you're in the market for a reliable wireless keyboard and mouse setup, stay tuned because we're about to dive into all the details of this fantastic combo. The WisFox USB computer keyboard and mouse combo is designed to offer convenience, comfort, and productivity for both work and leisure. Whether you're working on a desktop, laptop, or even a smart TV, this combo has got you covered. First up, let's talk about that freedom of movement. This combo offers a stable 2.4G wireless connection with an effective range of up to 33 feet. That means you can work comfortably from anywhere in the room without worrying about tangled cables. If you're a fan of quiet environments, you'll love the silent design of this keyboard and mouse. The low-profile keys and silent click buttons ensure a more enjoyable and noise-free typing experience. Nobody likes constantly changing batteries, right? Well, WisFox has your back. This combo features an auto-sleep mode that helps conserve battery life. Plus, waking them up is as easy as pressing a button when you need them. Comfort is key, and the ergonomic design of this combo takes care of that. The keyboard's tilt angle reduces muscle strain and fatigue, promoting a more natural typing posture. Your wrists will thank you. Boost your productivity with the 12-function hotkeys included on the keyboard. Access music, email, homepage, and more with just a single press. It's all about convenience. The included mouse is no slouch either. With 3 DPI settings, you can fine-tune its sensitivity to your liking, whether you're working on detailed tasks or simply browsing the web. Setting up this combo is a breeze. Just use the included nano receiver to wirelessly connect both the keyboard and mouse to your computer. No need for multiple receivers, it's hassle-free. In conclusion, the WisFox USB computer keyboard and mouse combo is a versatile and practical solution for anyone in need of a reliable input setup. With features like stable wireless connectivity, silent typing, ergonomic design, and multimedia hotkeys, it's a valuable addition to your workspace. If you're interested in learning more about the WisFox USB computer keyboard and mouse combo or getting your hands on one, be sure to check out the links in the video description. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the UK Pro Reviewer channel for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.